just picked up an outboard motor that I saw on eBay. I paid 30 quid for it. It's quite an old one. It's a Seagull 40, I believe. It hasn't run for probably 15 or 20 years. The guy said he had a go at trying to get it to start, but he couldn't start it up. But it was just round the corner, and they are quite nice little bits of kit, so I thought I'd see if I can get it started. It looks quite old, but we'll see what happens. I've just realised that it must be leaking petrol from the carburettor, because I know he had a go at getting it started, but he couldn't. And the fumes in the car are quite strong at the moment, so hopefully I'll be able to get home before it knocks me out and I have a crash. This is the outboard I bought last night. It's not actually looking as bad as I thought. On eBay the pictures weren't anywhere near as nice as this. So I think it might have been a bargain if I can get it started. I thought that was all like rushed or something, but it looks like maybe it's been painted. So yeah, let's see if we can get it to spark. I've just noticed that around here, that's a bit of an odd arrangement, because on my other one it's got a cap, and that looks a bit like a bodge. And the guy did say he had problems getting it to fire up to spark, so it might be that. So I'll have a quick look, put a new spark plug in and see what happens. I spent some time on the engine now. What I found was that the slide in there that moves up and down to let the air in had jammed, so I had to take that out, sand inside, get the slide to move up and down, which it's doing now, WD-40. That was fine. There's the choke there. Also I had to move where this is. This was jammed so it wouldn't open easily. So I had to put a couple of fibre washers in there and turn it round so that it's easier to get to. There was no spark coming at the spark plug, so I changed the spark plug. Swapped it for a new one, right size and everything, and there's still no spark. So I had to get my drill, put that on it, take the plug out, spin it up, which after about 3 minutes meant that I started to get a spark at the spark plug, which was great. So starting them up is fairly straightforward. Pull out the gas there, make sure that that's unscrewed. Call it tittle the carburettor. You basically press that button there, and then when fuel runs out, like it's just running out there, it's good to go. Set the throttle about halfway. Close the choke. Give it a pull. Oops. There's the first one. It doesn't start in 2 pulls or 3 pulls. There's probably something wrong. Check that. There we go. Nearly. Try it without any choke. So you could see it running. I only wanted to, well, I wanted to make sure it ran before I went to the effort of cleaning it up. It was pumping water, so yeah, when the weather gets a bit warmer, I'll spend a bit of time polishing it and cleaning all this gunge that's on it. It's paint, so I don't know what that's all about, but yeah, I'll show it you when it's done.